In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Jotform responses. To begin, log into your Jotform account. Once logged in, you'll see all of your forms listed on the home page. If you want to check responses or submissions for a specific form, you can do that directly from this page. Under each form's title, you'll notice a Submissions option. For example, if a form has 3 submissions, this will be indicated clearly. Click on the Submissions button to open the associated response table. This will bring up a detailed table view where each submission is listed. You'll first see the date of submission, followed by the answers provided for each question in your form. If your form includes fields such as name, address, and review, the responses will be neatly organized under these headings. If you'd like to download the responses, click on the Download All button in the upper right corner. A menu will appear offering several file format options, including CSV, Excel, or PDF. Choose your preferred format to download the data. You can also view responses using another method. For this, go back to the home page. Hover over the desired form and click on the Inbox option. This opens a more email-like view of each response, allowing you to read submissions in an expanded format, making it easy to review each one thoroughly. And this is how you can access and manage form responses in Jotform.